What's this?
Ba.
What's this?
Na.
What's this?
Sa.
Very good, mashallah. Are you ready to pass the test on all of this?
Yes.
You are not.
Yes, I am.
I said you are not.
Yes, I am.
Okay. Tell me what this.
Da.
Sorry?
Da. The.
Not
I
the.
mean, no.
I am the winner. Yes.
Da.
Yes. Yes, I am loser. You are the winner. But I will beat you, Suso. Don't laugh. I will be the winner soon. I said don't laugh. Let me, I will trick you. What's this? You cannot do it. Never.
Yeah.
Someone helping you.
No one is. Just me.
I am. Okay. What's this? Don't be happy. What's this?
Ba.
Sorry?
Ba.
Yes, I'm the winner. Not bad.
Don't laugh.
This, what's this?
Just play.
You asking help from someone. This is da.
Da.
Yes. What's this? Which has a point in the top.
Da.
Sorry?
Da.
Yes, the. Good. What's this? Can you? I think this is easy peasy lemon squeezy for you.
Yes,
What's
it is. Sha.
Yes, it's a piece of cake. Yes. What's this? What's this? Let me see. What's this?
Okay, this is easy. Yeah.
Yes, yeah. What this?
Da.
Yes, very good. When I will be the winner? When?
Maybe in a long time.
Okay. What's this? What's this?
Wait, what? Da.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Da. What's this? Let me see. What? Don't be happy. Soon I will be the winner. Don't be happy. What's this? What should I write? Yes. Yes. This is one of the most difficult letters. This is.
Hi.
Who told you?
No one did. It's my name. That was my name.
If I bought ra dot, yo, I told you.
Wow. Thank you.
I said it by wrong. Yes, ra. Okay, I will be the winner so soon. Don't be happy. Okay.
I will be happy because I already am the winner.
Okay, what's this? Don't be winner, I said. What's
I
this?
am ready.
What's this?
Wait.
You cannot do it, I said.
You know what? Dad? Prove it.
Sorry? Don't look at your father. Yes.
Da.
Sorry?
Da.
You mean ta?
Yeah. No.
Someone told you.
Yeah, da.
Sorry?
Da.
Someone told you.
No one did.
What it will be if I put dot?
Da.
Sorry?
Da.
If I put dot in the top, it will be.
Stop.
Sorry, I can't hear you clearly.
Stop.
You mean the?
Stop.
I am the winner. It's the. If I put dot in the top, it will be the. I am the winner for the first time, and I will be forever. I can't beat you
Let's
easy.
see this time now.
What's this? Sorry? You again became the winner. Don't be happy. If it will be two dots like this, it will be.
I'm gonna let you win. Just joking. Go. Go.
Who told you?
No one did.
Okay, what's this? You cannot do it. I am sure.
Yeah. Wait.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, you are right. I am wrong. Okay. I will be the winner.
When?
Here. Must be the winner. Here I will be. You cannot see it.
La.
Oh. What's this?
Ma.
Oh, no way. Okay, you are the winner. Yes. Thank you so much, Ubada. You did it, mashallah. So today we finished Arabic letters with Fatha sign in the top. Thank you, Ubada. Let's make